It's Daniel here from Developer at the Dock, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add some text after your submit button. In ActiveCampaign, we can't actually add any blocks after the submit button, which means that we can't add any kind of terms and conditions or anything here. So what we need to do is use a little bit of style code. I will put this in the post on Facebook so that you can just copy and paste the parts that you need and change it as need be. So we're going to go into style first of all, and down in custom CSS we're going to type button wrapper colon after. Like I say, we'll put the exact text into the post on Facebook. We're then going to say display block, and that's going to put it on a new line, and then we say content. Okay, and the content here I'm just going to say by clicking submit, you agree to the terms. Okay, and it really is that simple to do. So that's basically going to be there on any of the pages that you have, so that's going to be after that button. We can put some padding in there as well to kind of move it around. You can change the color, so if you wanted color to be red, you can change the color to red there as well, or you can change it to any color that you like. What I will do is I'll post this video up for you, and I'll post this custom CSS in the post as well. If you do have any questions, or if it's not quite working for you, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to give you any help at all with this, because I understand it's kind of going into the realm of coding, but it is relatively simple. So, all right, enjoy. Any questions, let me know.